Hey guys, today is February 7th, 2013. This is the video recap for today. Took a trade on the ES this morning, took it long, made a point, and as you know, the ES went down for the rest of the day, so I'm lucky to get out of that sucker. But I did the same thing on the NQ, made all the money on the NQ today, so let's talk about those trades. Alright, first things first, we define the first swing of the day. I initially thought that was the first swing based on these bars here, and as you can see I got in based on that and quickly took some heat on it, which was the first reason I had started considering that this is probably wrong. So obviously I adjusted it once it came back down, but after the fact, and I didn't like this price action here. Went up. I thought we called it right, came back down, and there's a little bit of hesitation on firing up like it usually does in the morning. So in the back of my mind, I'm thinking we may be going short. When it fired up the second time around, I went ahead and put my stop 2 ticks above break even. And luckily I did, because I don't think the price ever made it back up here. At least not so far. I mean, it's pretty early in the session, so. But anyways, got stopped out on that for 2 ticks. Quickly changed my tune. Started making these lower highs and lower lows, and so we got this channel drawn on pretty quick right after I got stopped out, and so we changed our tune. Let me see if any changes here. And since we're going down, we would change the swing from here. There. So once I got stopped out, we got that channel on, then I started looking for some shorts. And so we did. And obviously I didn't get into this because it wasn't in front of my computer quite yet. And it didn't test the rules, but based on this channel, we knew it was changing direction, so we looked for an opportunity to get short. And then at this point, we were looking at price action signals. And let me zoom into this chart so you can see. So this is the short in this morning. We're in a downtrend, as you can see, based on these trend lines I have here. Let's see if these line up. So you can see it on this chart too. And so we took a short based on a price action second entry short setup. You know, you have your first one here, second one here. And I jumped the gun, got in a little bit early. I mean, I got, what, 3 ticks better price and taking it on the close of this bar. But we jumped in nonetheless. And as you can see, it just went down for a good chunk of the day so far. Good chunk of the morning, I should say. Okay. So we got out of our first position right at 162. You can see it came down and hit that area. I put it on there initially. I actually pushed it out just a little bit further, trying to get a little bit more out of it, but it got a little bit of hesitation there, so I pulled it back right at the 162 and got taken out for some. And then I moved the remainder up just a little bit, and it came back and took out the rest. And basically I had a safe trade. I put a stop right in this area here, which I think I took a screenshot, which I'll share when I make the video, and let the other half run. And as you can see, that worked out perfectly. Had my other profit target at 200, but as you can see, based on price, it just moved right through it. There was no hesitation. This bar came down, touched it, a little bit of a pullback, and then it just dropped right through it. So I could just drop my profit target way out there, and then just basically managed it with the stop rather than the profit target. And as you can see, it came back down here. We're off of all the fib extension levels, so we caught a nice little runner. But it hesitated here, dropped a little bit more. I put my stop in based on the top side of this hesitation, this overlap, and dropped, and then came back and took me out. And that's a wrap. That's it for the day. So back at it tomorrow. See you guys.